Hello viewers, welcome back. This video is all about the episode where Janak and Anirudh are going to meet face to face after 5 years of separation because a lot of things have happened in their lives after the separation. So will this reunion bring another change in their life? Let's find out. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for more.
The episode starts with Arshi telling Anirudh that she gets anxious whenever he visits strange places. Anirudh says she travels with her dance troupe too, but he never worries like that. Arshi reminds him she's never gone to a village and asks him to return safely. Anirudh thinks to himself that he must return because he still doesn't know where Janak is. Arshi says she's also worried about Vinayak. Anirudh says he had asked Vinayak to stay, but he refused. Arshi blames Janak for all the trouble, claiming things got better in their lives only after she left. Anirudh shares that he recently met Siddharth, but Arshi doesn't want to talk about him. Anirudh questions why she forgave Siddharth despite being betrayed, yet never gave Janak a chance, even though she did nothing wrong. Arshi says Janak is probably living with someone now. Anirudh says he doesn't want to waste time and leaves. Elsewhere, Lalu asks Dadi for the wedding guest list. Dadi says those who didn't stand by them during tough times don't matter, but Lalu insists on inviting everyone. Appu agrees, saying it's Jimli's wedding, so no one should be left out. She scolds Kajol for not staying with them, but Kajol says she doesn't want to leave the basti. Jimli defends Kajol, and Appu admits Kajol loves her the most. Kajol says she's happy Jimli found a good match and encourages her to stay independent. Jimli says her past made her strong, and her job gives her confidence. Kajol says Appu changed their lives. Dadi calls Appu their Lakshmi, though society never understood her. Appu says she doesn't care about society but misses Janak. Jimli is hopeful they'll meet again. Lalu says Appu has a headache. Kajol asks if something else is bothering her, but Appu says she's fine and refuses a hospital checkup. Dadi also asks her to go, but Appu says she'll live forever. Dadi expresses concern about Jimli's wealthy in-laws. Kajol tells her not to worry. Appu asks Jimli to visit often after marriage. Kajol suggests taking Appu to the hospital later, and Appu agrees. She gives Kajol some jewels, and Lalu reveals Appu even bought a set for Kajol. Kajol hesitates, but Appu insists they both wear them. Anirudh reaches Simulboni with Dheeraj. They discuss the land and local people. Veer spots them and informs Parashar. Kanka says she'll speak to the outsiders, but Parashar wants to find out their purpose first. Parashar and the villagers confront Anirudh, who explains he came with government approval to build a factory. He says they'll also build a hospital and school and are ready to pay. The villagers oppose it. Parashar says farming is enough for them. Anirudh calls it government land and urges them to think about their children's future, but they get angry. Parashar ordered his men to break Anirudh's legs. Just as they're about to attack, Nutan steps in and stops them. Anirudh is shocked to see Janak there. Parashar lashes out at Nutan, accusing her of siding with Anirudh because she is from the city. Kanka fuels the rage, encouraging the villagers to beat Anirudh. Nutan pleads with Parashar to let him go. In the heat of the moment, Anirudh calls Nutan Janak, leaving everyone stunned. Parashar questions Nutan if she knows Anirudh. She admits it. Parashar then demands Anirudh leave the village, but says only his colleagues can go for now. Dheeraj refuses, but Anirudh sends them away. Anirudh tells Nutan he needs to talk to her. Parashar allows it and tells Nutan to make Anirudh forget about the factory plan. Everyone leaves, leaving the two behind. Elsewhere, Mimi meets Anirban at a cafe. She questions the sudden call. Anirban says he missed his friend and still loves her. He insists he's single because he never got over her. Mimi reminds him how he once called her average. Anirban says his family is now ready to accept her. Mimi feels their change of heart is due to her success and says her own parents haven't changed. Anirban asks if she'll marry him. Mimi says she's too busy to think about it but admits she still has feelings. She invites him home but leaves suddenly after receiving a call. At home, Jimli apologizes to Appu. Kajol brushes off the past. Appu says Jimly was misled but they've moved on. Jimly feels grateful and ashamed. Appu hugs her and says they should both forget everything. Anuradha and Lalo send them on an errand. Jimly asks where they're going. Anuradha shares they got back the lost 50 lakhs rupees and plan to buy cars. Nutan later tells Anirudh that she's not Janak. Anirudh says he's been looking for her for 5 years. Nutan says he should have left with his friends. He says he couldn't walk away after seeing her. She tells him to stay at the government guest house if he wants. They walk away to talk. Ishani joins her family at breakfast. They chat about village weddings and the fair. Adrika dreams of becoming an air hostess. Ishani's father reflects on settling in the city. Her mother brings up marriage, but Ishani says she wants to be an IAS officer and find her friend Janak. Back in Simbulponi, Kanka suspects something. She confronts Parashar about Nutan's identity after hearing Anirudh call her Janak. Parashar avoids the truth, saying he doesn't know what's real anymore. Kanka accuses him of lying. He admits only Nutan has the answer. Kanka asks why Nutan would reveal anything to him. Parashar urges them not to fight and wonders if Anirudh is Moon's father. Anirudh wants to talk, but Nutan says there's nothing left between them and her life has changed. When he says he could have died earlier, she reminds him Parashar wouldn't harm anyone and questions Anirudh's sudden plans to build a factory, hinting at hidden motives. She shares how girls from the village were once deceived by city men. Anirudh asks about Parashar's role in the village, and Nutan praises him. She says she's farming now and has no interest in revisiting the past. When Anirudh brings up Janak, Nutan avoids the topic. He shares that he bought a house and lives with Arshi, but there's no relationship. Nutan remains indifferent. When he asks if she lives alone, she says nothing clearly but adds she's respected and leads the village women. Anirudh asks if she'll return with him to Kolkata. Nutan questions if he'll keep her in a separate house again. She avoids the topic and leaves to bring him food, hinting she's holding on to something precious of his. Elsewhere, Ishani tells her parents that Janak once taught her dance and she plans to find her in Kolkata, though she doesn't have her address. Her dad worries about the timing, while Ambika scolds Adrika for packing too many clothes. Ishani says she wants to become an IPS officer, not just settle with marriage, and her father supports her dreams. Appu tells Jimly to sit for her haldi. Lalo and others worry about Appu's health, but she insists on finishing the rituals. Kajol refuses to join the haldi because she's unmarried. Appu teases her about marriage, and they argue playfully. Later, Parashar asks Nutan about Anirudh. She says he's just a relative. Parashar asks her to tell him the factory isn't welcome. Nutan agrees and says she's going to give him food and plans to tell him about Moon.
So guys, this is the end of this episode. What did you think about this new twist between Anirudh and Janak? Did you think the both of them should reconnect? Or did you think they should just go their separate ways? Leave your comment below and see you on my next video. Bye!